In this video, you will learn how to solve different math problems to prepare for the CFAT exam. Employees of a discount appliance store receive an additional 20% off the lowest price on any item. If an employee purchases a dishwasher during a 15% off sale, how much will he pay if the dishwasher originally cost $450? To solve this, it is given here that the original price of the dishwasher is $450. And during a 15% off sale, the price of the dishwasher will be reduced by 15%. So we just multiply 450 by 15%. And then we can write 15% as 0.15 by dividing it by 100. So this is 450 times 0.15, which is just equal to $67.5. So the sale price of the dishwasher here is just, we subtract $67.5 from $450. So that is 450 minus $67.5, and this would give us $382.5. So this is now the price of the dishwasher after a discount of 15%. But it says here that the employees receive an additional discount of 20% off the lowest price of any item. So the lowest price here is $382.5. So we just have to multiply that by 20%, and then we subtract from this one the lowest price, then that is the total amount that the employee pays for the dishwasher. Okay, so that would be 20% of $382.5. So times 20%, or we can write that as 382.5 times 0.20. You just have to divide 20% by 100 to write it as a decimal, or in decimal form. So this would give us $76.5. So 20% of the lowest price, 382.5, is $76.5. And now we just have to subtract this from the lowest price, which is already discounted from 15%. So that would be $382.5 minus 76.5. That is would give us $306. Therefore, the employee will pay $306 for the dishwasher. So this is the answer here, letter D. Right, let's solve another problem. The sale price of a car is $12,590, which is 20% off the original price. What is the original price? So the original price here is unknown, so we can let X be the original price. It says here that the sale price of the car now is $12,590, which is just 20% of the original price. So that would be the original price minus 20% of the original price is just equal to the sale price. So let's plug in all the values. So the original price is unknown, which is x, minus 20% of x is just equal to 12,590. And then we can write 20% of x as 0.2x. Okay. And then 1 minus 0.20 is just 0.8. So this is 0.8x equals 12,590. And then we just have to divide both sides by 0.8. So 0.8x equals 12,590 divided by 0.8. Okay. So x is just equal to $15,737.50. So this is the original price. So the answer here is letter D. Let's solve another problem. Richard gives S amount of salary to each of his N employees weekly. If he has X amount of money, how many days he can employ these N employees? So in this problem, we are given that each of the N employees here earns S amount of salary weekly. So that means that one employee earns S salary weekly. So that means Richard has N times S amount of money to employ N employees for a week. We are asked here to find the number of days. Number of days N employees can be employed with X amount of money. Right? Okay, we can do simple direct proportion here. So if Richard can employ N employees for 7 days with N times S amount of money, so Richard can employ N employees for, let's say, Y days. So we let Y be the number of days Richard can employ N employees with X amount of money. So we can set up an equation here. So that would be the number of days is just equal to the amount of money times the number of days in 1 week. So 7 days times NS. Okay, take note that NS here is the amount of money to employ N employees for a week.